Hi, I'm Matt. Today I want to inspect one side of a house using the Schweppes method. I call it Schweppes. It's just a memory device that I made up to help me do inspections instead of looking at a checklist all the time. So let's take a look. So here's what we got. So Schweppes, surfaces. S is surfaces, H is heat, W is windows, doors, and vents, E is electric, P is plumbing, and the second S is structure, surfaces, structure. There's some overlap there, okay? And when I'm in the house, the second S is smoke detectors, okay? But like in the attic and the garage where you don't have smoke detectors, I substitute structure. So the first S is surfaces, the second S is structures. So like I said, there's some overlap. So I could put this in the structural part of my report here. This damage to this porch. It's cracking off. Some people might want to put that in surfaces. It's up to you. Stairs are spalling off. More damage here. A lot of issues on the porch. The railing's not loose. I mostly put like surfaces like walls and floors, ceilings. That's what I put in my surfaces section. Well, it's not a section, it's just like I said, it's just a memory device. So surfaces, that's not bad. H is heat. Actually, I can see some heat here. That chimney stack up there for the furnace. It's leaning a little bit. It's going that way. So I'll put that in my report. W is windows, doors, and vents. You can see the threshold on this door is rotten. The windows are the original wood and they're peeling. Over there too. Vents, there's a dryer vent. And there's another dryer vent right here. There's two. We'll see. I haven't been in this house yet. I'm waiting for the realtor to get here. That might be an exhaust fan, but we'll see. So vents. That one's sticking out a little bit, so we'll put that in our report. It's not secure. See that? So windows, doors, issue, vents, issue. Handy plug tester. E is electric. So we got some electric on this side of the house. We got a plug. GFI plug. GFI protected. Trip it and reset it. We also got the meter here. The service drop. I always check the service drop going back to the pole and look. Tree branch rubbing on it. I did an inspection for a fire mill one time. I said, how common is it for those to, tree branches to rub a hole in the insulation, start a fire? He said, oh God, that's like half our calls. So that'll be in the report. What else? Electric. Can't test the porch light yet because the realtor's not here. We'll do that when we get the door unlocked. And then plumbing. We got a couple plumbing here. Oh, by the way, the electric is ground. There's the ground rod right there. The grounding, the number 6 stranded copper grounding wire, I should say. It feels tight. There's a bunch of stones on top of it, so I can't actually see the rod, but we'll see. We can get a little farther here. So the water's working in the plumbing. You can see the water coming out of the hose. I also put the gas pipe in the plumbing section of my reports. This looks okay. It's a little loose, not bad. It's not bad. And then, like I said, that second S is, structure. So, like I already covered that. So, and again, inside the second S would be smoke detectors, smoke and fire, carbon monoxide. So that's it. That's the Schweppes method, and I use that just as a memory device instead of looking at a checklist all the time. I've been doing this going on my 24th year, so that's really what I do now. When I first started out, I had a checklist that I went through. I used to do hard copy reports with carbon copies, and I would just literally check everything off as I went. If you're new, you might want to do that, but when you get to long in the tooth like me, you don't want to do that anymore. So, and then what I do is I take pictures of all this, and when I get back to my office, I go through every picture again. I do good reports and write it up. I take a picture with point and edit. Sometimes I give it thumbs up or thumbs down in the picture, and that goes in the report. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.